Good morning, students. Now we are moving on to the last question of exercise 1.6, that is question number 3. Simplify, and they have given 4 problems. So today we are solving these 4 problems. So the first problem is 2 power 2 upon 3 into 2 power 1 upon 5. So let us write the question first. That is 2 power 2 upon 3 into 2 power 1 upon 5. Okay, as we can see, 2 and 2 are common, whereas powers are different. So can we say, because a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n? Yes or no? Yes. Where a is equal to 2, where a is equal to 2, m is equal to 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, and n is equal to 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. Now put all this value into the right hand side of the identity. So now, a power m plus n, in place of a you have to put 2. So in place of a we are putting 2. In place of m we are putting 2 upon 3, plus in place of n we are putting 1 upon 5. Yes or no? Yes. Now as you can see, the bases are not same. Here 3 is there and here 5 is there. Since bases are different, we have to take LCM, that is least common multiple. We know that 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So there is nothing common between 3 and 5. So the LCM is 3 into 5, that is 15. 15 is LCM. So can we write like 2 as it is, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Now to make base as 15, because LCM हमारा क्या आया 15. कैसे आया? Still I am doing this. 3, 5. You have to take like this. 3 ones are 3. 5 carry down. 5. 1 carry down. 5 ones are 5. So you know that LCM is equal to 3 into 5. That is 15. Yes or no? Yes. Now here 2 upon 3 is there. Base is 3. To make this 3 into 15, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply with 5. So 3 5s are 15 LCM. Yes or no? Yes. When we have multiplied 5 in the denominator, we must multiply the same value, which is 5, in the numerator too. In the numerator too. Yes or no? Yes. Now here plus sign is there. So plus 1 upon 5 was there. To make this 5 as 15, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply with 3. Since we have multiplied 3 in the denominator, we must multiply the same value in the numerator too. So it will be 3 upon 3, here 5 upon 5. Now continuation of the step. 2 here. 2 into 5, numerator multiplied with numerator. 2 into 5, that is 10. 3 into 5, that is 15. Plus 1 into 3, that is 3. 5 into 3, that is 15. Remember, numerator has to multiply with numerator and denominator has to multiply with denominator. Now as you can see, base are same now. Since base is same, we can add up in the numerator, or if subtraction sign is there, we can subtract in the numerator. So in the same way, 2 have to be right as it is. 15 is common, so what you have to do, write 15 common, because base is same, so you can write it as common. And above in the numerator, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3. Okay, now, so therefore 2 is as it is in the numerator, 10 plus 3, that is 13 upon 15. So answer, final answer will be 2 power 13 upon 15. It will be your final answer. Easy? I think it is easy. You have to practice it, then after you will feel it easy. वरना प्रैक्टिस के बगैर तो पूरा मैथ टफ ही लगेगा. ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस वेल, जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन फॉर अ सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. ओके, second problem says, the second problem, 1 upon 3 power 3 to the whole power of 7, that is 1 upon 3 power 3 to the whole power of 7 they are asking. Now, as you know in the 8th standard, inverse, since anything is written under a 1, कुछ भी एक के नीचे लिखा हो तो उसको हम इनवर्स में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. कैसे? हियर 1 upon 3 power 3 is there, so you can write it as 3 power minus 3. Why minus? क्योंकि it is been converted into inverse. एक के नीचे कुछ भी हो उसको आप इनवर्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो by changing the sign. Then some of you may ask, sir, यहाँ पे 3 power positive 3 है तो ऊपर जाते वक्त वो नेगेटिव हो गया. बट व्हाट इफ वी आर गेटिंग 3 power minus 3, तो वो ऊपर जाके प्लस हो जाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सिंस इट वॉज 3 power 3, it is been converted into 3 power minus 3. Suppose in some other problem 3 power minus 3 was there, then it has to be 3 power 3. इनवर्स मतलब साइन पूरा चेंज हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? ओके, सो 7 विल बी एज इट इज. सो डजंट इट सीम्स लाइक द आइडेंटिटी, बिकॉज a power m to the whole power n is equal to a power m into n. ये आइडेंटिटी लग रही है ना? इट लुक्स लाइक द सेम आइडेंटिटी विच आई हैव रिटन. सो where जहां पे where a is equal to 3, m is equal to minus 3 and n is equal to 7. Yes or no? Yes. Now put all this value into the right hand side of the identity. So now what we are getting? So therefore a power m into n, that means 3 power minus 3 into 7. So now what will you get? 3 will be as it is, minus 3 into 7, that is minus 21. So 3 power 21. This answer is also acceptable. ये आंसर लिखा तो भी चलेगा, but look at the question. Question is given in terms of 1 upon 3 power 3. So it is better कि जैसा क्वेश्चन है वैसा ही आंसर हो. So since here 3 power minus 21 is there, you have to again convert it into the inverse. वो कैसे करोगे? 3 power minus 21 can be written as 1 upon 3 power 21. So this answer is desirable. ये भी सच है, इसमें भी आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे, बट ये ज्यादा नॉलेजेबल है, ज्यादा टेक्निकल है, ज्यादा मैथमेटिकल है, हम बोल सकते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज इट डू हैव अ लॉजिक. जैसे पापा है वैसा ही बेटा है. इन द सेम वे द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दैट, इन द सेम वे योर आंसर शुड बी. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन फॉर अ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. Next problem is third one. 11 power 1 upon 2, 11 power 1 upon 4. So the third problem is third problem is 11 power 1 upon 2 whole divided by 11 power 1 upon 4. Yes. Now what we have to do? Now 11 and 11 is same. So doesn't it seems like the identity which is a power m whole divided by a power n, which is equals to a power m minus n. Yes or no? Yes. Where what was a? A is 11. So a is equal to 11, whereas m is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to 1 upon 2, and n is equal to 1 upon 4. N is equal to 1 upon 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now put all this value into the right hand side of the identity. So now what will be there? Therefore, so a power m minus n, in place of a you have to put 11. In place of m you have to put 1 upon 2. In place of n you have to put 1 upon 4. Again, base is not same. Yes or no? Base is not same. But you can see that यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 4 है. They both are 2 is prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. It is co-prime. So what we have to do? Write 2 and 4. Take out LCM. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. You have to write comma over here. Otherwise, it will be considered as 24 and 12. Don't make a mistake. Now again, 2, 1 is been carried out. We are not functioning on 1. So there is only 2 ones are 2. Here we are getting 1 1. So the final LCM is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now we have find LCM as 4. So what we have to do? Write 11 as it is, 1 upon 2. Here to convert 2 into 4, we know that we have to multiply it with 2. Since in a denominator we have multiplied with 2, multiply with 2 in the numerator 2. Minus 1 upon 4. Here 4 is already there. So there is no way you can multiply it with something. So what you have to choose? Multiply with 1 and divide with 1. So 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1. So there is no change. Or else if you don't multiply it also, that will be okay. So now, therefore, 11 will be as it is. 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. Minus 1 into 1, that is 1. Upon 4 into 1, that is 4. Are you getting this? Yes. Now 11 as it is, 4 and 4 bases are same, so we can write base as common. So 11, 4 as common base, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 upon 4. So the final answer will be 11 power 1 upon 4. It will be your final answer. Got it? Now we are moving on for fourth problem. For writing, it's better to pause the video and then you can write it. Now for fourth problem, we are moving on for a fourth problem. Fourth problem says 7 power 1 by 2, 8 power 1 by 2. 4, 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. Doesn't it seems like the identity? Which identity? A power m, b power m. So because a power m into b power m is equal to a into b to the whole power of m. I think you have remembered this identity. Since ये 7 is different, 8 is different, so a and b are different, but power is same. Here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So I have choose m and n. Yes or no? Yes. Where a is equal to 7, b is equal to 8, and m is equal to 1 by 2. So can we put all this value into the right hand side of the identity? So can we write a into b power of m? Therefore, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 8 to the power of 1 upon 2. So 7 into 8 is 56 power of 1 upon 2. 56 power of 1 upon 2. Also, it is the final answer. There is no issue regarding this. But the same value you can also write it as square root of 56. Why square root? Because 1 upon 2 is nothing but a square root. 1 upon 3 is nothing but a cube root. In the same way, you can do the problem. So, both the answer, if you write this, also it is right. If you write this, that will be also right. There is no issue regarding that. So we have completed exercise 1.6. From next online session, we will cover geometrical problems which were successively magnification, root spiral, and denoting a rational number, irrational number on the number line. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही. Practice well. Till then, thank you so much.